Alright guys, let's get into it. So today I was bearish because yesterday we had a very large move down, as I said in the video, and we we sort of came up into this 4 hour gap and then started displacing lower. So I was bearish even though we had these equal highs. We didn't have them on uh, ES. So I was pretty strongly bearish. Also, after this much of a move, it's very unlikely that we do not take Monday low, in my opinion. I would like to see it get hit. So I was kind of heavily bearish. Uh, there was nothing really on the 15-minute chart. The important things are, this is NDOG, new day opening gap. This is a fair value gap that I expected maybe to get this 5 minutes actually. That I said that this is the highest I want to see price go and reject off of if we're actually bearish. So first of all, on market open, we swept these intermediate highs, yeah, and then came above 830 open and started displacing lower, but we didn't inverse this fair value gap, first presented fair value gap, which is why I waited for another high to get put in, and then I entered front running this breaker block on this candle. I also thought that with this much of a displacement, we're probably gonna run a sell side. So I entered with 2 contracts on the micro and Q, and my first partial was on these equal lows, and I would have closed the trade at Monday low. And I really thought that this is gonna be the day where we get some liquidity and where not liquidity, some movement and some action. It was core PPI, and we had some yellow folder news, so whatever. But yeah, we only got the equal lows, so I exit 1 contract here. It was, yeah, 1 contract here, and then I had my stop placed here, and I got exited on this candle right here, or no, on this candle, but at this new stop. It's right here. So it was overall a small win of about $60, nothing major. And after that, we inversed all of this. I heard some people took this inversion, but I just really didn't think that we were going to be bullish or that bullish. So yeah, I waited, and we got another protraction, and then coming back up with a pretty strong move, inversing this 5 minutes, which I fully flipped bias here, and yeah, I waited for the protraction. It was silver bullet from 10 a.m., which was right here, 10 a.m. to 11, right here. So in this time window, I want to see a protraction. It's a silver bullet, which we ended up getting into this 1 minute. And on the ES, it was a little better because we got it in the 5 minute. Bullish, this was bullish, it's red. And yeah, we got it, and then displaced higher pretty strongly. So I entered right here, and yeah, this was just a very unfortunate trade. It was just going back and forth, hitting then ORC 75, and coming back down. I had my stop loss at break even because I wasn't gonna risk money on this. After we got these strong wicks, I thought, all right, my break even point was on the here, so the price shouldn't come there anyways if we're actually bullish, and it did, so it took me out break even, so still $60. And yeah, and after that we just did nothing. Also on ES, I took this trade right here after I saw us on NQ taking out these lows. or at least this low was enough for me to the strong move up. I entered long here with a stop loss here, and actually I entered on this candle here, yeah, and I won't break even about here. I won't break even because if we're bullish after getting to 50% of this wick, I want to see price just move much more aggressively up, and it didn't do that, so break even $60 today up, so not bad. The yeah, price action just really taking just really slowing down. This isn't really a good day. We didn't have runs on almost anything, and scalps that I wanted to maybe take weren't good either. So yeah. Lesson of the day would be on choppy days I won't be afraid to take break-even trades, because if they remain choppy, I'm just gonna get stuck out, and there's no way I'm making money, right? And if they're gonna stop being choppy, then I'm gonna take profit, or I'm just gonna completely leave. So on choppy days, I'm not afraid going break even when we get here, because as you can see, it wouldn't have worked out on NQ here. It wouldn't have worked out. It would have stopped me full loss. So no way, right? We didn't even hit and walk and dock, and didn't even hit through the open. So yeah, orc 50 here, orc 75 here. This is full orc fill, and I wanted to see equal highs, but it's possible that in the PM session we'll see it, but for right now I would stay out of the market until, if you're bullish, I would say until we at least sweep all of this, come back into first presentation maybe, and then move up if we get some volatility, right, which we're probably not gonna get. So or if you're bearish, I would wait until a full sweep of all of this, and then a break lower targeting these two lows. That's what I would do. So maybe that's the plan for the PM. Yeah, this I'm probably done trading for the month, for the week. So yeah, very slow day again.